Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making some amazing grilled chicken souvlaki pitas on the Beale Street, powered by Memphis. We're going to start mixing the flavorful Souvlaki Marinade, which is the most important ingredient to make a great flavorful grilled chicken souvlaki. In order to make the Souvlaki Marinade, you want to start by putting 10 garlic cloves that's been peeled in the mixer. Then you want to add 3 tablespoons of dried oregano and 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary. Next, add 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika. And then you want to add about a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Now we need to add some liquid to the marinade. So add about a 1/4 cup of Greek extra virgin olive oil and about a 1/4 cup of a good dry white wine. Then you want to add some acidity, so half a lemon, and squeeze the juice into the mixer as well. Put the blender to high and make sure that it's get pureed thorough. Now when all these ingredients are mixed, it's time to start prepping the chicken, and this is how we're gonna do. So we're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs to make these chicken souvlaki. And I like the chicken thighs because they have a little bit more fat, which means that they grill better. You want to trim off the extra fat, and then you want to cut it into about 1.5 inch cubes. When all the pieces of the chicken has been trimmed, you want to pour over the marinade and set it aside in the fridge for about 4 hours. The chicken has been marinating now for over 4 hours in the fridge, and it smells amazing. So now it's time to take it out, heat up the grill, and start skewering the chicken. You can use any fruit wood pellet, but we're gonna use apple wood for this cook. Then you wanna set your Beale Street powered by Memphis to grill mode, 550 degrees. Now you want to remove the chicken pieces from the marinade and put them on a skewer. I prefer metal skewers because I think they withstand the heat from the grill a little bit better. Also make sure that you don't overload the skewers with too much chicken meat. The chicken is skewered, the grill is sitting at 550 degrees, and the grates are nice and hot. So now it's time to start grilling. Place the chicken skewers on the grill, and now you want to grill it for between 12 to 15 minutes or until you reach an inner temperature of about 165 degrees. You want to rotate the chicken skewers constantly, and you also can baste them a little bit extra with the marinade. When they're done, remove them from the grill and put them in an aluminum pack. We have removed the chicken skewers from the grill, so finally it's time to put together the pitas. And this is how we're gonna do. Start by carefully open up the pita bread and create a pita pocket. Then you want to add some shredded lettuce to the pocket. Next you want to spoon in some chopped tomatoes, some sliced cucumber, and some sliced red onions. Remove the chicken from the skewers and add to the pita bread. Then top with a drizzle of Tzatziki sauce and some crumbled Feta cheese. And now they're ready to eat. And that is how you make grilled chicken souvlaki pitas on the Beale Street, powered by Memphis. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood-Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, www.memphisgrills.com, for more recipes like this. And now I think the only thing left for me to do is to try these grilled chicken souvlakis and see what they taste like. So here we go. Yeah, packed with flavors. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.